In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a collaborator on Jotform. Whether you're working on a project that requires input from multiple team members, or you simply need an extra pair of eyes on your form design, Jotform's collaboration feature can significantly streamline your workflow. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, navigate your way to Jotform's official website. It's the perfect place to start. Jotform is a powerhouse for building forms for all purposes. Whether you're gathering survey responses, registering event attendees, or collecting feedback. Once you reach the homepage, you'll be prompted to log in. This is your gateway to accessing all of Jotform's features, including the collaboration tools we're focusing on today. Click on the login button located prominently on the website. Logging in can be a breeze, especially if you have your account connected to Google or another platform. Simply click on the Google button or the relevant platform to access your Jotform account seamlessly. This feature not only saves time but also adds an extra layer of security to your account. After logging in, your next destination is the My Forms section. This is where all your creative endeavors with Jotform live. Whether you've built one form or 100, this is the place to find them. You're now just a few clicks away from adding collaborators to your project. Now, amongst the bounty of forms you've crafted, select the one you wish to share with your collaborators. Hover over the form and you'll see the option to edit form. Clicking this brings you closer to embarking on a collaborative journey. Editing your form is not just about making changes, it's about enhancing it with the perspectives of your teammates. As you enter the form builder, keep an eye out for the Add Collaborators option. This feature is your ticket to a collaborative workspace where ideas can bounce back and forth, leading to the best outcome for your form. Jotform's intuitive design makes finding this option straightforward, ensuring a smooth process as you aim to enhance your form. Clicking on Add Collaborators reveals yet another streamlined process. You're presented with the option to copy link. This link is crucial. It's the bridge connecting your form to your collaborators. Copy this link, it's ready to be shared with whoever you choose, inviting them into your creative process. With this link, your collaborators can view and edit the form, making real-time contributions that you can track and review. Sharing the link can be done through any means you prefer, be it email, a direct message, or even a group chat. The beauty of this feature lies in its simplicity and the freedom it gives your collaborators to access and edit the form from anywhere and at any time. This collaborative approach not only enriches your form with diverse input, but also speeds up the feedback and revision process. In wrapping up, it's worth noting the power of collaboration in creating forms that serve their purpose effectively. By inviting collaborators to your Jotform project, you're not just sharing a task, you're enhancing the quality and efficiency of your form through collective effort. Jotform makes this process a breeze with its user-friendly platform, ensuring you and your team can focus on what truly matters. The content of your form. Remember, the key to a successful collaboration lies in clear communication and mutual understanding of the project's goals. Use the collaboration tools provided by Jotform not just to build forms, but to build relationships and teamwork that drive your projects to success. That wraps up our tutorial on how to add a collaborator on Jotform. Embrace the power of collaboration to make your forms the best they can be, and watch as the process transforms not just your project, but the way you work as a team. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success with Jotform.